Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we have given a pulley block system and it is told that two blocks are mounted over a pulley and we release the block 2 and it will fall 75 semi in 5 seconds. So first of all, on writing the given data for this question. So we have given the mass of the block, that is M1 is given to us, that is 460 grams, and we have given the mass of the block 2, that is M2 is 500 gram. We have given the radius, that is R is equals to 5 semi, and time is given to us, that is 5 seconds. Now I am going to draw the diagram for this given question. So this is the pulley and there is two block. So this is our first block here, and let this is our block second here. So this is M2 and this is M1. Let the tension in this string is T1 and tension in this string is T2, and this is our pulley, and let this rotate by alpha, that is the angular acceleration of this pulley, and the forces on this block is gravitational force, that is M2g. On this block this is M1g. Now in this problem we have to find the acceleration of the blocks, tensions in these strings, and we have to find the angular acceleration and the rotational inertia. So first of all I am going to calculate the acceleration. So let the acceleration of this block is a, so similarly acceleration of this block will also be a in upward direction. So I can say from kinematical equation, that is S is equals to ut plus of half at square. Now S is given to us, that is 75 semi, so this is 75 into 10 to the power minus 2, and initially it is rest, so 0 plus half of a into time is given to us, that is 5 second. So from here we get the acceleration, and this will comes out to be 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second square. So this is our answer for the first part of the problem. Now we have to find the tension in both the string. So from FBD we can say that for M1 block, T1 minus M1g is equals to, this is M1 into A. So from here we get the value of T1, that is M1 into G plus A. Now put all the data in this equation and we can find the value of T1. So this is 460 grams. So this is 460 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 9.8 plus this is 0.06. So this will comes out to be 4.53 Newton. So this is the tension T1. Similarly we can find the value of tension T2. So for block 2 we can write, this is M2g minus T is equals to M2a. This is the Newton's equation. So from here we get the value of T2. So T2 is equals to M2 into, this is G minus A. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is 500 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is 9.8 minus 0.06. So this will comes out to be 4.87 Newton. So this is the value of tension T2. Now we have to find the value of angular acceleration of the pulley. So we can say that there is no slipping. So we can say that tangential acceleration is written as, that is r into alpha. This is the case of pure rolling. So from here we get the value of alpha, that is a tangential upon r. So this is 0.06 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 2, and this will comes out to be 1.2 radian per second square. So this is the answer of our angular acceleration. Now in the final part of the problem we have to find the moment of inertia, rotational inertia we have to find. So we can say that torque is written as, that is I alpha. This is the torque equation. So torque is given by, that is T2 minus T1 into R, and this is I into alpha. Now we have all the information. So from here we get the value of I, and this is T2 minus T1 into R by alpha. Now put all the data in this equation. So T2 is 4.87 minus this is 4.53 into this is R is given to us, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon alpha we had calculated, that is 1.2. From here we get this is 1.41 into 10 to the power minus 2 kilogram meter square. So this is the value of rotational inertia, and this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.